In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jira board. Now, if you're managing projects on Jira, you might find yourself needing to clean up or reorganize your boards from time to time. Whether you're wrapping up a project or just looking to declutter, knowing how to delete a board is essential. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you're comfortable with each step. To begin, you'll want to fire up your preferred web browser. While Chrome is commonly used for its reliability, any modern browser should do the trick. Once your browser is up and running, proceed to log into your Jira account. It's important to check that you have the appropriate permissions to delete boards, as administrative rights might be necessary for this action. After successfully logging in, the next step is to navigate to the board you wish to delete. On the Jira interface, locate the top menu and click on Boards. From this drop-down menu, select View All Boards. This action will generate a list of all the boards associated with your account. Take a moment to scan through this list and identify the specific board you are planning to delete. Click on it to open. With the board open, it's time to explore the settings. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon represented by 3 dots, commonly referred to as the More menu. Click on that, and within the drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Board Settings. Click on it to enter the settings menu for this board. Once you're in the Board Settings menu, you'll find several options ahead. Right now, our focus is purely on the deletion process. So, scroll down to the bottom left corner of this menu. Here you'll find the option that says Delete Board. Before proceeding, take a moment to ensure that this board is indeed the one you wish to remove, as this action is irreversible. Once you've verified and you're confident in your decision, click on Delete Board. This action will trigger a confirmation message from Jira. It's Jira's way of double-checking whether you are sure about permanently removing the board. If you're absolutely certain, click Delete once more. This final step will permanently remove the board. And there you have it. Now you know how to delete a Jira board. Remember, this action can't be undone, so verify your decision before confirming deletion. If you're managing multiple projects or are part of a larger team, it's wise to communicate with your colleagues to ensure everyone is on the same page regarding board deletions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.